Welcome to the channel. Today's episode is a very special episode for me because I've always wanted a GT-R and I did a thing. So stay tuned. I did it. I bought a GT-R. This thing is a little bit damaged, a little bit crispy. Let's walk around it and see how bad it really is. Alright, so let's start on the good side. Looks like we have a good headlight, a good fender. The door looks good. Oh, the quarter panel. Not so good. The roof, a little bit crispy there. Bumper cover looks okay. Tail lights are okay. The deck lid's okay. The lower spoiler is all melted. Let's have a peek at that interior. It's not that good. This quarter panel is, whoa, crispy. Door's crispy. Fender's crispy. Melted the mirror. I'm gonna peek inside. Oh, don't want to look in there. The hood is damaged. Let's pop the hood and see what's under here. Not much. Oh, that is not pretty. No motor, no transmission. Core support, burn up. Strut towers. Oh, ooh. I don't even know what to say about that. Now let's have a look at the really ugly stuff. Oh no. That door panel's not that bad. Oh, not good. Not good. Not good at all. Really not good. I think this floor mat is good. And the pedals. I think those pedals are good. Okay. So, it's yeah, it's not pretty. Actually, it's pretty ugly. My dad hasn't actually even seen it yet, so I'm curious to see his reaction when he does see it. Hopefully I can get that on video. And I did get it really inexpensive. I didn't pay a lot of money for it. Hopefully in the end, after I buy all the parts that I have to buy that are gonna probably be expensive, I'll still have the cheapest GT-R in the world. Yeah, hopefully. That's the plan anyways. So, we're gonna be taking this thing apart, taking everything off of it that's damaged, and repairing what we can repair, and replacing what we have to replace. And that being said, let's get my dad out here and see if I can catch on video and not have to bleep out too much stuff.
This a joke, right?
No.
It's April 1st.
No. This is my new car.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Man.
Well, look, there's no framework or anything. This thing's gonna be all bolt-on stuff.
Well, there ain't no car.
Yeah.
There's a pile of ashes.
I'm gonna have to wear a jumpsuit or something. I'm gonna have soot all over me.
Oh my God, this side worse than that side. Yeah, you didn't know why you bought this.
I did buy it.
Somebody had to pay you to take it.
Yes. I bought it. I bought it cheap.
There ain't no motor in here.
I know.
What you supposed to do, push it?
Yeah, yes. This is Fred Flintstone car.
Jesus. I hope you didn't give him over $10 for it. That's about scrap metal. Oh man, he got beautiful purple wheels on it. Woohoo!
Yes, it does.
I like them. All I can tell you is have fun fixing it. I don't want no part of it.
Alright, so that didn't go as bad as I thought it was going to go. I don't have to bleep out too much. I'm just going to be, while he goes back in there, I think I'm just going to sit out here and just stare at my beautiful brand new car.
Sometimes you wonder if someone's crazy or not, and then they go buy something like this, and it removes all doubt.
So, the build plans for this car. let's see. I don't really have a build plan. I could buy a parts-only car that was hit really hard in the back and use all the interior pieces that are good in this car. Motor and transmission should be good if it's hit in the rear. So we could find that's what we could do. We could find a parts car, like a salvage title car that was parts only or certificate of destruction like they do in Florida. I could do that. We could gut the interior. I could put some race seats in it, maybe put a roll bar in it, and make it a super uncomfortable, super fast GT-R. Could do that. Boost Logic engine, Shep's transmission, 1800, 2000 horsepower. As light as I could make it because it wouldn't have any interior, no power steering. I could do that. I could make it borderline race car. Decisions. I don't really know which way I'm going to go with it. I think we could strip the car down, take everything off the car, put it on a rotisserie and have it sandblasted. I think we can do that. And then paint what I need to paint while it's on the rotisserie, like the underside and stuff. Make it a roller again and choose a color that I want to paint it. And then I can make some decisions at that point about which way we want to go. This might be a fluid build. It might change during the middle. I don't know. I've got a lot of thoughts going in my head right now about which way to go with this. Least expensive or most horsepower. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave a comment in the comment section of which way you would go on this build if you were doing it. If you would buy a burnt up GT-R. Actually, no, you don't have to leave any messages. You don't have to leave any messages talking bad about my GT. Actually, if you want to bash the GT-R in the comment section, go right ahead. It's fine with me. But I've bought it. It's mine. I'm going to fix this thing, and we're going to have a whole video series about the repair, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So, that being said, I think this is it for the initial video of the GT-R. I'm probably a glutton for punishment, and if you like the video, if you think you're going to like the series, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon, that way you won't miss any future content. If you like this video, click on the like button there. Don't forget to leave a comment section about which way you would go with the build, or if you wouldn't even buy this car at all. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya!